Hello, my name is Prakriti of class 8 and today we discuss chapter 5 conservation of plants and animals. So, our first topic is what is conservation? The chapter is based full on conservation and first of all we know about what is conservation. Conservation meaning the protection of our natural world. How we protect our natural world? We discuss in this chapter our wildlife sanctuary, national park, deforestation and so on. Okay, so move to our next topic and our next topic is deforestation and its cause. So again, what is deforestation? This topic is based on deforestation and first we know what is deforestation. Deforestation meaning cutting down or clearing down the forest or trees from the land. The land is empty. The land is full empty. So why deforestation is happening? For cultivation, land and cultivation. The farmers cutting down the forest for cultivation, crops, for their economic value, cutting down the forest and grow crops, building houses and factories. People also cut down the forest for build up their houses and their factories. Okay, making furniture or using wood as fuel. You know, the doors, table, our bed is made from wood and wood is came from the trees, and this is why deforestation is happening. So we protect our trees by stop deforestation. Okay, so our next topic is consequences of deforestation. Okay, so we know about deforestation very well, and now we know what is disadvantage of deforestation. Why we stop deforestation? Okay, so very common reason for stop deforestation is global warming. What is global warming? Global warming means the temperature increase in global level. It's called global warming and increasing the carbon dioxide level in our environment. You know very well about the plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen, and humans take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Okay, so if there was no tree in our surrounding, we release carbon dioxide and we doesn't get oxygen and the temperature of our surrounding is increased. Okay, it's disturb our water cycle. You know, the plants attracts the rain. Okay, so when the rainfall is doesn't happening, when the rainfall is reduced, it may cause droughts. You know very well about droughts. Okay, so when the droughts is happening, the soil will get less fertile. This is not fit for our crops, our cultivation, and it's totally convert in desert. And it's totally convert in desert. Decrease the water holding capacity to the soil, and this is because the flood will come. Okay, so this is disadvantage of deforestation. This is why we stop the deforestation. Our next topic is conservation of forest and wildlife. Okay, so again, protecting our forest and our wildlife. So you know very well about the government makes very wildlife sanctuary, national park for protecting our wildlife and our forest. People are very much hunting the animals for their skin, for their teeth. Only the elephants is only killed for their teeth. The elephants lost their life only for their teeth. Okay, government makes very laws for this, but people can't listen the law, so the government makes wildlife sanctuary, national parks, and so on. Okay, biosphere reserve. Okay, so the next topic is biosphere reserve. Okay, so you very well know about the biosphere. What is biosphere? Okay, so you know very well about in earlier classes what is biosphere. The biosphere is that area where plants, animals, human beings, microorganisms lives. It's called the biosphere. Okay. And the biosphere reserve may also contain other protected areas in it. Okay. And the next topic is flora and fauna. Let's move on to our next topic. So the plants and animals found in a particular area and termed flora and fauna of that area. Okay, it means the camel only live in desert. It's not live in forests. Okay, and the elephants and lions only live in the forests, not live in the desert. Like polar bear only lives in Iceland, not live in forest or desert. Okay, so this means the flora and fauna. There are some images like wild dog, cheetah, wolf, leopard, fern, jamun tree. Okay, this is the animal habitat. Okay, endemic species. Okay, endemic species are those species which rarely found in our particular area. It's not commonly found in our surrounding like other animals like giraffe, elephant. It's commonly found in our surrounding. In our forest, you've seen it very well. In zoo also you see, but the endemic species are those species which found very rarely. It's found mostly in national park, wildlife sanctuary. Okay, like one example is giant squirrel or flying squirrel. Okay, it's very rarely found. It's not commonly found in our. And there was a plants also which are very rarely species. There are many plants which are very rarely species, not found in everywhere, like our mango tree and our apple tree. Now, and our next topic is wildlife sanctuary. Okay, wildlife sanctuary provide us protection and suitable living condition for wildlife and for our also. Okay, and I told you the wildlife sanctuary makes for government makes the very wildlife sanctuary, and if anyone kill the animal, it get very much punishment. It's very punishable. It's strictly punishable. Okay, so wildlife sanctuary is very important part for our habitat. Okay, next topic is national park. Okay, so national park is also made. So the government also made the national parks, which I already told you. Have you ever heard the Project Tiger? Yes, you heard. Okay, the Project Tiger is launched by the government to protect tigers, because many of hunters hunting hunting the tiger for their skin. So the make the project government launched the project Tiger for protecting the tiger. And not for tiger, the national park is made from every animal which are hunting in very majority, okay, and it also affect our food chain. You know very well about food chain, okay. the herbivores the herbivores eat plants, and then carnivores eat herbivores, and this is the food chain is happening. And because of hunting the animals, the effect of food chain also disbalance. The food chain is also disbalanced, okay. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is made for all the plants, animals, microorganisms, and area along with non-living compounds such as climate, soil, river, deltas, etc. Ecosystem is made for everyone, which are living or non-living. Non-living examples like soil, water, river. Living example like animals, plants, human beings, and for microorganism also. Okay. Our next topic is red data book. Okay, what is red data book? Red data book contain the all records of animals found in India. Okay, it's our red data book of India has record for plants and animals found in India. Every plant, every animal which are found in India is recorded in the red data book. Okay. Migration. It's our next topic. So let's discuss. Migration meaning shifting one place to another place. It's not only done by human beings. It's done from animals, birds, etc. Okay. You heard about migratory birds. They are come from very cold. They fly for laying eggs as the weather in their natural habitat become very cold and inhospitable. Birds who cover long distance to reach another land are known as migratory birds. Okay, migration meaning I have told you shifting from one place to another. It's not only done about the animals. I give you example of birds. It's also happening with the birds also. Okay. Our next topic is recycling of paper. How we recycling the paper? You know, for one sheet paper, 17 full growth trees. Full growth trees mean the trees which are mature. We need that trees, not 17 trees for make 1 ton of paper. Imagine how much trees are waste only making paper. So I request you, don't waste the paper for your playing. If any child save a sheet of a paper, it's save many of plants. Not one plant it save many of plants. You must be save the paper. You not tear it for your own use. You think about our nature, our environment, our ecosystem, for plants, animals, forests, then you tear a paper. Okay? You save at least one of paper in a day, you save many of trees. Not one tree you save, you trees many of trees. Think about it. And our next topic is reforestation. Okay. Reforestation meaning. Reforestation is restocking of the destroyed plants by planting new trees. Okay, destroy forest. We in the deforestation process we destroy the forest for planting new trees. It's also done naturally also. You see, there was an empty land, there was no forest, no trees. You see, a natural crop is grown up. You didn't sown a seed to it. It naturally grows. Any plant, it grows naturally. Naturally in land. It was empty land, no forest, no tree. It's grown. And you see in rainy season it's grown too much. Okay, and it is very good for environment. When a land is not needed, you also be maintain that land. It's not needed, it's totally grown naturally. The nature is maintain their balance. But what we do, we cut down the forest. Nature doesn't say please give us water, please give us sunlight, please give us anything. It's nature is grown up naturally. If doesn't interference in the nature is very good. Okay, so the chapter is finished. And what we discuss in chapter, let's discuss. We discuss in this chapter wildlife sanctuary, national park, what is meaning of wildlife sanctuary, what is meaning of national park, what is conservation, plants and animals, what is biosphere reserve, what is flora and fauna, what is endemic species, okay, what is reforestation, how we recycling the paper, what is red data book, and this is full we read in this chapter. So thank you. This is for all today. Bye bye.